1, 2. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go buy a new one. Fucking shit. Supper one. Good morning. Oh my god, he's giving up. Wait 1 second. Let me take up this. Supper one. Luki. Yokur. This is Alexio, but my other account. Aha! What's up, Alexio? Oh, what's up, Marek? Hello, Sniper. What's up, brother? Check Discord. What's up? Let's see. What did you send? Is it the Zero Gamma and all of this? Gigs 1, Gigs 2. What am I looking at? Wait, what is this? What's up, Tobias, Max, Banga? Can I stop saying for you to start trading London? London session. What do you guys think? Are we gonna get something today, or are we once again gonna get nothing? Hey, London wasn't that crazy today compared to the days before. Maybe we have something today now on Friday on New York session. By the way, look at that test on the VWAP. Oh yeah. What's up, Shappy? Good morning, Sleep Cheap. Azrael. How can you teach me how to read footprint and delta? I'm a bit confused. I don't really use footprint, but how to use the footprint, it's quite simple. But the thing is, you know what, Sniper? Maybe I can have JC if he's gonna join. Let's ask him, because he, if I'm not mistaken, he uses footprint because he's using it, right? He will be much better at it than me. It will mean reversion days so good today in London. Okay, nice. That's up, Zyxia. Good morning, BR. How is the VWAP absorption going? I haven't tested it. I didn't test it more than what I left it on. But yeah, I will do it. By the way, for all the members, TM members, you have... Let me share my screen. You have Delta Flow now on Ninja Trader. Alexio or Yokur. You can test it out. Let me know how it is. It works. But yeah. After the stream, I'll have a meeting with one guy that's gonna help me do it for Atlas. And then we're gonna upload it. And then last we're gonna do multi-way. But yeah, we're gonna fix it so you have pretty much deep effort on Atlas and Ninja Trade right now. Look at the net gigs. Okay, 1 billion. Oy. That's 0 OTD on all. Okay, we are in negative gamma regime. Okay, let's see. It's gonna be interesting. I use Delta footprint. There you go. Maybe Skiller can help. When we play in Concrete, oh hell no, that game is shit. Hey, I'll test it. Nice. Okay, let me know if there is something. I can fix it directly because we gotta wait for the opening, right? So, okay, we got negative gamma today, and we are opening up with some volatility. So, are we in a healthy state? We are shifting lower, so we are bearish. In that sense. One week of no IVB break. Yeah. IVB. Nothing, man. What's up, Compli? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yikes, what a dead week. Literally. You know, I took one trade during this week, and it was not even my original setup. It was a B model with some absorption, whatever. Nothing, man. I haven't really taken a single legit trade this week. Just sitting on my hands. I'm gonna try to fix this setup a little for during the weekend. Wanna see if I can plot maybe deep dome, my charts. Yeah. I joined you this week and no IVP breaker we got. I am I am unlucky. Nah, it's been like this the past months. It's fine. We will most likely in September get a more healthy state in the market. But let's see. Okay. Glad with direction of open mind we get something today. Let's see. What's up, Dave? Hopefully. Wow. What's up, Ruben? What's your bias for today? I'm leaning towards being more bearish because we're shifting lower and we're still heading lower. But let's see. I want to wait for the opening range, so we have 20 minutes left. Yeah, hopefully we don't do something like we done the whole week where we just dance in and out here for 1.5 hours and do nothing. But yeah. Say we have our opening range and then we break out to the downside. Look for a retracement here or something and then send it lower. That can be the plan for me. Which Deepcharts plan are you currently using and which one is the best? We can actually look. The thing is I'm partnering with them, so I have the biggest one, I guess. Let me see. But I think I haven't upgraded because I'm still on my own. I think I have the advanced. Yeah. Yes, I'm on the advanced one. Which one is the best? Ooh. The best one. Let me see. Pro has Gamma. Classic. I guess advanced, but Pro gives you deep Gamma. Yeah. For $30 extra. Again, we're reaching yesterday's RTA sessions profile. Yeah. But look, I don't know, guys. The volume has already dried up. It's oh yeah. It starts to look exactly like it's been the whole week, but yeah. Let's see. Look at the dry up. Now it's chopping. It has begun. Can't wait for another mean reversion day. Yeah. I think I'm gonna bet on that we're gonna have another one. You know, the whole week like this. The whole week has been like this. Do you have free access to Deepcharts? And the thing I paid in the beginning of the year, once that runs out, then yeah. Because I'm gonna be partnering with them, so I have still access to free Deepcharts. Yeah. How's the project going on? Were you looking for people for the project going? Were you looking for people a couple months ago? Ooh, wait, Jonas, that's which project? We've done so much. Maybe you're thinking about T and Terminal. It's finished. It is finito. I think you're thinking about this project. Yeah, all is done. Created. Dashboard, journal, code, labs, options, T and algo, indicators. So we have everything. Oh, by the way, check this new function. So you're gonna see when news are dropping. Getting alert, but actually I'm gonna filter this out. I don't really pay attention to the low, only to the high and medium one. But yeah, you have we are finished pretty much with quite a lot of it. The only thing I'm adding now is deep effort. So we only have Atlas and Motorwave left, and that's it. After that, I'm going to look to fix bookmap TN bookmap. Gotta go buy the data for it. Today we're just gonna have a slow and relaxing day, huh? What was the new indicator you said for Ninja Trader? TN Delta Flow. So here, go into TN indicators, then go here and then deploy. Download this one and just import it. And then you have your API key and all of that. Just, yeah. Keep in mind when you are in the TN Delta Flow, you need to apply tick data, replay tick data. Just follow the prompts. It's gonna tell you. Only, yeah, exactly. So it's on range chart only. It's the deep effort. It's this one. It's a 1-to-1, really. Looks like another range day. Yeah. But yeah, it's this one. Got my hands on the code for it. Guy had managed to sit several months apparently to decode it. Shout out to him, Lauen. What's up, Eldoran? PBD mode was so good in London. Today I wish I started training long when I got my prop. I would have been up. That's fine, just fine. Lock in. Marky is so naughty more than what the hell? Better or not ranging days, right? The Delta effort. I haven't really tested it out, but you should. Fabio says you should use it like for when they overlap the levels, and it works really good in trending as well. That's the thing. It works really good in trending and also. So drop that in the chat file with an downloadable link. Then I'm gonna squeeze out all the people that paid. It's not gonna be fair to them, right? You know what I think? I think, and also you need an API with it for it to work, because that's how the code works. You need an API. Wow, what a boring day it's gonna be. I think many people, they've been trading this week and they've been like, nah, this is not worth it. So they most likely like skipping trading today, taking some time off. What is imbalance tracker? Wait, how do you have imbalance tracker? That's an old indicator. Imbalance tracker. That's one of Matthias. Just pretty much scans like imbalances. That's it. It's a really simple indicator. I think we can all create it. And maybe I can create. I'm gonna talk to him, see if we can use this one and just give it to the members, or I'm gonna have to create a new one on my own. But it's a really simple thing. It's just imbalance tracker, really. Checks for imbalances in like the footprint. How's life, Pav? Good, actually. Really good. Stuff is getting more in check. Like, I'm pretty much finished with the TN terminal for now. I just gotta finish up that. And then focus a little more on other stuff. But yeah, it's good. How about yourself? Hi, Pav, I'm back home now. Injuries are much better. Nice. Had doctor appointment today. No salad was fried today. Okay, nice. Next. What model you use on PM? PB model. See that, guys? My directional cell bias NQ from NS is aligned. Nice, Bullion. By the way, you also had an absorption tracker, right, for footprint? Or if I remember if it's wrong. Yeah, absorption tracker. It's simple. You know, I can create it. I'm gonna talk maybe. I'm gonna shoot Matthias a DM. Because the model is really, the indicators are simple. It's just tracking the footprint and see like imbalance and absorption. And then it plots it like a level here, for example, if you have some absorption. It's really good, really. But yeah. Let me see, maybe I can have it pushed out. Oh, what's up, Mohammed? Was the absorption tracker of good use? Yeah. It's good. It's really good if you want to see like... You can also see it on the big trades. But if you want to see on a smaller scale, like in the footprint that you miss, that you don't see on the big trades, then yeah, it's really good. Plus auction, nice, Bullion. Do you have tutorial on PB model? No, but I have this. I have all my models there. You can go in and check them. It needs to break the IVB. Yeah. PB model, the one I use for most likely, like if I have it on New York session, it breaks IVB. But on PM session, it's just a general PB model. So it's like the day has already like gone. The logic why PM session is quite good is because the day has pretty much already begun like a long time ago. We already know the direction for the day, and you just like look for continuation in that direction. That's it. Happy New Year trading day. Let's hope Friday session is gonna pay off for the week. Nice. Wow. By the way, I made the screens a little larger so you see more clear. Bearish today. Half weekend ahead, bro. Happy weekend ahead, bro. May your weekend rest for left this trade, and don't forget to touch the grass. We'll do so, bro. Guys, what plans do you have for the weekend? We're reaching the lows. Maybe might get some problems. Yeah. Touching value real low from yesterday. Let's see. What's up, Benny? Good morning, bro. How are you? I'm great, bro. How about yourself? Pav, been off here for a while. Has been the month been generally positive in trades? Yeah, the month has been positive, but we haven't had really a lot of opportunities. That's the thing. So in terms of PNL, yes, it's been good. But in terms of amount of trades and opportunities, nah, hasn't been good. Like, not a lot of opportunities for us IVB traders. But yeah, like look at this. The volume is it dries up quite quickly. Breakout, push back up. Hey, but let's see. Check. Wait, let me fix this one. Maybe it's not aligned. Check composition profile. Yeah, we are pretty much in the middle. Not really in the middle, but you like. Value low is below us. Sellers lost at the bottom. Now we're pushing up. Imagine being a seller down there. Oh, scheiße. It is reaching in 3 days value low. Let's see if any reaction. Okay, nice. You posted a story, I see me. Banga, when are you gonna drop new videos? We are waiting for it. Whenever you drop, I will. Okay. I'm gonna do soon. I'm gonna start doing more content because, yeah, I'm finished with TN Terminal pretty much. Then I'm gonna do more videos. What's up, Rio? Rio, how has your week been? You're a 15-second scalper. Surely you found some opportunities. For us, the rest, nothing. Slow day today, then. Yep. Good. Nice. At least one is getting some opportunities. Is that VWAP? This at the top? Yeah. The broad stock market also. But Leon, I think you and one guy, he's called Hazal, something like that. He's also like super invested into some like macroeconomics and stuff. You guys would be a good team. Have you ever tried a 5-minute IVB? No, that's too aggressive. That's too aggressive for me, at least. Hi, brother. What's up, Imran? Sorry, I'm late. How are you, my man? I'm good. How are you? Slow day, huh? What do you think about Powell's 10 a.m. model? Who the hell is... Do you mean the Federal Reserve, like the guy that sat in the Powell? He's not there. He's not with us anymore. Like he doesn't. Oh shit! Sound like he's died. He left. Who is Paul? Is it somebody like a YouTuber? For the PM session, you use 5 minutes or 1 minute on the PBD model. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is more like that tells me when to execute, but then I look at the 1 minute to time it. We were making a B shape from the open. A B shape. Do you use option flow and gex for levels? Yeah, correct. The only volatility we're gonna get is from a Trump tweet. Tonight, no, wait. Yeah, today I'm definitely gonna trade some PM session. I have a model on Friday that works out really good, so I'm gonna trade it on PM session today. No, Powell, but not Powell, but Powell. But Powell, a trader, he's really checking him out, but he doesn't use order flow. Okay, Powell. ICT trader. How COT report helps us? It's already 3 days delay data. Would it help for intraday or it's actually used for swing traders? It's good for like narrative, to have an idea of where what the big guys are doing. For us scalpers, it's not really that useful because we scalp like 5 minutes, 1 minute. But if you're gonna build an idea for the day, it's like if you're aligned with COT, it becomes more probable of maybe playing out. That's it. Short looks kind of sus low-key because of value low and absorption. Yeah, and look where it's happening, right? Where yesterday's value low is. But it makes sense. We have some rejection, you know. We don't know. Let's see. Pav, I just know macros and overall reaction of global macro and politics. So you also know a little, like, you know, macros. Nice. Something like that. He uses a rejection block in 10 a.m. to open to top and bottom tick. Noise. Bello. Powell. Something I learned from trading is doesn't matter what model you use, really doesn't matter. Just find something that you can stick to. You can do a really stupid model and you can make more money than somebody that uses, I don't know, order flow. Just stick to it. Hey, we're getting some volatility. Hopefully not back into the range. So we should purchase Trump monthly inside trading subscription. That, bro, if you can buy it, you're set. And we accept the back into value. Buyers lost. Now they won. You gotta zoom out a little though. Sellers are still in control. Pay attention to the big guys. Look at this. From here, we are still in control by sellers. If I'm new, do you recommend IVB or anti-bias model? Anti-bias model, if you... This is gonna sound bold, but if you want a payout, yeah, definitely. Anti-bias model is like you get 1-2 opportunities a week, maybe one even. When you trigger on it, there's a high chance it works out, because I did the back testing. It was like, because say you have the first area. Where is the anti-bias model? Let's take it up. I can just do this. And you don't even need volume profiles for it. You need only market profiles. So really simple. The anti-bias model is like this. So you have a shift higher, right? We are bullish. So this is the new day. We open up here. You have to open up outside of this area. And then we look for a retest up here to send it back down to POC and value area low. The reason why is because this area, the value area high, if you are in an uptrend, had a 37, I think, % chance of getting a reaction to then send it higher. So if you just flip this, it becomes 63% chance of failing, right? So that's why I put it as loss rate is 63% in this triangle long from value area high. So instead, just flip it. Aha, if I flip it, the idea, now I take a sell here, it's a higher chance. And if we accept back in, POC is a magnet, makes sense, huh? So if you want a payout, there you have it. Now you gotta time it though. That's a whole different story. You gotta time it correctly. How you time it is up to you. The logic is just super damn simple. Paul, what trading mode would you recommend using order for? Have you pretty much like want to? I'm thinking about a model which can actually multiple times a day with. From doing it myself, Eldoran, I'll test it out because I was so bored of IVB not giving me any opportunities. But when I looked at it, traded it, and I was like, I want to trade less. I want to take more probable trades. If I want to force trades, like look for opportunities, I lost. So but yeah, that's the first thing. The other thing is, if you want a model that you can take more executions on, you can go down in time frame only if you want, and then just looks for like PBD model. Yeah, PB model on like 15 seconds. Do it on a small scalp. For example, it can look something like this. So you go down to the 15 second. I don't know. Let's just plot it out. Once it comes up to like here. Oh, the voice crack. Once it comes up here, you look for absorption and then push lower to value area low. So you can take something like that. You know, you can go down in time frames. But regarding like something else, no. What a voice crack. Yeah, bro, I'm getting them quite often. I gotta drink more water. Scheiße. I don't know what happened to the market, always stuck in 30 minutes. I think the market's afraid of you. Nice. This week has been a little extra weird. Simple math, yeah. Hello. First, thanks for your videos. Very helpful. Second, do you think it's possible to trade this way on multi-wave? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you should be able to do it. And if you're interested, because there are some tools on Deepcharts that Motivate definitely doesn't have. For example, this one, it's quite popular one, is the delta effort, the deep effort on Deepcharts. Yeah, we're gonna add it for multi-waves, and you're also gonna have like IVB. Multi-wave is already there. You have TN options. We're gonna add it as it's actually already added. I have no idea why it's not up though. But yeah, you're gonna have live options data as well. So go to TN terminal. I think you should be seeing it somewhere here if you're interested. But yeah, you can definitely trade like this on multi-way. Any strategies for Bitcoin? No idea. No idea. I don't trade Bitcoin. You trade NQ or MEQ, correct? So you trade on MEQ. How many hours should enter in a FOB? Yeah, I trade on micros. 2 contracts, 3, depends on your risk. And the model works throughout the whole day, so not just cash session, right? No. Yeah, they work because it's the models are just the logics of the markets, right? You can use it on any session you want. You can use it in Asia session if you want. Definitely, there's no like, oh, just this time it works. No. IVB on the other hand is based on the opening range, so that's a whole different story. But PB model, that's like can work anywhere. I just started my IVB back testing. What kind of buffer did you get? You give the retracement to the IVB when you did your testing, Pav. Back testing. What kind of buffer? When you say buffer, what do you mean? Did you give the retracement? Pav is eating puberty. I mean, what kind of zone around the IVB did you give price? What kind of zone around the IVB did you give price? Wait, rephrase that, Benny. I did a whole back testing. I have everything on YouTube though. You can go and watch it. It's public. You can see how I did it, exactly how I did it. Bro, plot the volume profile. There is a huge buy absorption of delta above value area high. On what? Yesterday, today? You mean this one? This buy delta? By the way, look at it. Today's developing. It's a B shape, pushing lower. Yeah, but the volume is dry. Thanks, no worries. Are we in positive or negative gamma? Negative. Yeah, we're in negative gamma. How to know the protection zone? Take it from the top. It's just 62% of the range. So take the range and then plot 62% as projection. That's it. How long do you trade IVB? Ooh, for months now. Do you have data on the model? Which? Anti-bias? IVB? Anti-bias? Yes. Yes. I did 3 years of backtesting. I shared it in Discord. For the people in the PM, do you only trade the ones aligned with the bias? Oh, that's a good question. No, I'm trading like the day has a direction, right? So if we have a clear direction of the day being bearish, then I look for continuation. So it doesn't have to do anything with the daily bias. But if it's aligned with the daily bias, then it's just a bonus. Legit, if I go into the supermarket and scan this barcode, I might get that discount. What's up, Jawad? Hey, I mean, jobs didn't need absorption exact on every line. So when I say buffer, no, yeah, okay, now I get you. Yeah, you don't have to be too precise. It's a retracement, Benny. The retracement in this area, say we have the breakout and then retest retracement. If it happens here, I can take it here. If it happens here, I can take it. But if it happens here, right here, it's not really a retracement, right? That's a retracement is like you come back up a little. So yeah, and the buffer can be something like this, I guess. If it happens here, I can take it. If it happens here, I can take it. Yara. And here is some, like, here's a small trick. And by the way, that's a good thing. I didn't share it with people. So when you have the retracement like this, like the breakout, I plot the volume profile, right? No. I have an idea of what, like, where this is pretty much, how you say it, 70. Oh, how do you say that? Looking for the retracement is, this is a valid retracement because it's comes back at least half of the move. Half of the move we have a retracement on. But if, yeah, That's it. I don't know how to say. I think you get it. You can use Fibonacci pretty much to like, okay, if we go above 50% on a retracement, aha, now I can look for it. That's it. But it's like logic because they are trying to get in at a better price, right? So if you get a retracement higher up, makes better sense to like take the sell. It's a better price. That's the logic. So you can use Fibonacci if you want. Explain to me how this PA is negative, Pav. This is definitely not negative. Okay, just a slow. It's been like this for weeks now. Not options is not even getting respected at this point. That should tell you a lot, actually. It's a weird market. To enter on the PB, you need to be back on the value area. To enter of PB, you just need a retracement back up to value area high, for example. So if it comes up here, this is where it is. You should look for entries. And if you want a really significant level here, look at the left side, the delta profile. That here you have the strongest level in that area. That's it. Can you show your protection zone settings? I can't show the settings. It won't show the window because it's not shared on the, but it's 62% only. Let me double check. Yeah, 62% as the projection from high to low. And wait 1 second. What the hell? Have they changed it? Yo guys, they have updated the IVB, huh? Oh my god, I dragged it from the wrong line. Wait. No, wait, I dragged it from the wrong line. There. Yeah, it's 62%. See the red one. I never got a payout. I started all models, but when I sit to take trades, I see every model and false trade and lose. Please suggest, according to you, which model is the best to get your first payout. IVB is really good. Anti-bias is really good. The issue is not a model, my friend. The issue is that you execute on everything. You wrote your problem in the chat right now. Just read what you just wrote. You will see directly. The thing is, you execute on like 50 stuff. I did so before as well, and it makes sense. I did not achieve a payout. You need one model. One model, one entry criteria, one asset. That's it. That's how I preach it always. Less is more, especially in trading. Keep it simple. ICT was right, the discount premium. Nah, man, come on. It's been for... Today we are weekly. Ah, okay, that's very helpful. Thank you. One last thing. Do you think one or 2 years enough to validate? Do you think you need at least 3 or more? No. You only need around 300 trades, 200 to 300 trades, and that's approximately 3 years of data. Why you shouldn't go with like 3 years is because the market changes, so it's no point in testing that much. Stick to 2 years, something like that, and make sure to test the recent years, the year you have now, so from the 2026, because this is a new market regime, right? You have to check, does it work for this year as of now? What percentage of time does it retrace? Quite often, actually. I don't have the data on like exactly how often, but quite often you get an opportunity. And if you don't get it, but the thing is, that's not the important thing. The important thing is like, how often do we reach protection level? From my backtesting, 8 out of 10 times. Really? We reach it. What does the 62% mean? It's just our level where that gets hit with high probability. Think about simple auction in real life. This campaign was never IC's teacher. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just you want to buy a better price. You want to sell a better price. We have a breakout, guys, but how much can we trust it? We couldn't trust it the whole week. What makes you think we can trust it now? But let's see. Maybe we have negative gamma. I want to see the option levels. Do we have something? If you go down to the granular levels on the options, it's quite cool how much it reacts of it. Bam, bam, test, push, back up, test, push. Small reaction, through, test, push. Let me see, do we have a level? Down at 29,800, 29,000, something like that. Yeah, 29K. This breakout is so sus. So all the way down we have option level. Okay, let's go Pa. Green day today. Nice. Next took KL on anti-IVB. Ay. Today you don't have anti-IVB, but when did you take this trade? What, that trade? I started 21 already in Feb, so I'll do yeah, okay, nice. Yeah, continue from that 20 to 2026, definitely. ICT trades say the more confirmation the better, but when some guy backed it on IC for the side, the more confirmation was actually low in the win rate. Yeah, of course. Just logically, if you're too overfitted, the more confirmations and stuff you need to see align, you're too overfitted, and it doesn't really help you. Like, trading isn't that granular in that sense. For everything to align for you to take the trade doesn't make sense. Like, just think of it logically. If it's an auction, do you like wait for specifically that price for him to bid, for him to do that, for him to do that? No. You're waiting for the price to reach a good price. I want to buy here. Bam. So if trading is an auction, doesn't make sense if you're gonna see like everything align. Doesn't, like, that shit won't play out. Sure, sometimes it will, but long term, what, you're gonna sit on your hands for like 3 months before you take the perfect setup. But yeah, so if you want, don't treat it, don't be too precise. That's it. Finally a fucking breakout, I hope. Hey, brother. Look at what's happening right now, and we are not even shocked. This has been happening the whole week. Exactly this. Pav, you know about Hikamori? You know the chess player? Yes, he's a trader. My model is so simple. Should I start teaching it, lol? If you want, if it's good, if people want to learn, there's nothing wrong if you have something valuable that you want to teach people. The only thing that's not right is if you have something that is not really working and then you try to like push it. That's the thing, and that's why so many these gurus have like fucked up this industry. Like today, it's a bad thing to, like, if you want to show people, teach them, learn, like teach them stuff, it looks like a bad thing because of them. That's the thing. The more complex your trading model, the worse, basically. Yeah, for sure. The more complex your trading model is, the worse. I can swear on it. That's why my approach, like, for example, I realized it because I did a lot of backtesting. I have data on everything I say. So I realized this. IVB, for example, its opening range is backed by statistical research, algorithmic trading, yada yada. But the logic is simple. If we have an IVB breakout, I want to take an entry in this area down to protection level that gets met with high probability. How I take that trade is up to me. And it's nothing more than that. Literally. Obviously, I gotta find a good way to take this trade, but it's so simple, anyone can do it. The hard part is waiting. Like for here, for example, we have an IVB breakout. It looks like shit. Sellers look at the breakout. They lost. First attempt, they lost. Back up, pushed the low. Lost, back up. You gotta have some experience in this, so you have to understand like this is not actually a good breakout and really not valid. Should I play it? I can, but on lower risk. You're telling me people in real auction don't use liquidity sweeps and fair value gaps? Yeah, like that's the thing. Imagine you're in an auction, bro. You gotta. Oh shit. AMT just kind of clicked for me then. Nice. Yeah, but it's normal. It's like it doesn't become simpler than that. Buy at a better price, sell at a higher, like it's what's the protection level and how can I use it? It's a level that gets reached with high probability. It's based on my model, so I want to take entries towards that level. That's the logic. That's the logic I use. The fuck, Hikamura searching, man, right? Japan. I thought you meant the guy that is a chess player. I don't know if that, it sounds like his last name. Okay, I don't know what that is, bro. You know what the chess player I'm thinking about? Hikaru, something like that. Isn't that like his whole name? No, wait, Hikaru. Yeah, okay. Never mind. Fully green week today, and that backs with 75% win rate. Nice. How long is your sample size? That's the thing. You need at least like 300 trades. Pablo, when I play chess with me, I have bro, I got banned because of my nephew. There is no chess for me. I haven't been able to play it. I play like on guest. I can't teach people my method. You need to be on drugs to 50-second scalping is unhealthy, man. It's unhealthy. What's up, user? No news trades today. Currently on the bus. Are we pussy gamma today? It looks like pussy gamma, but we are in negative gamma. What's up, by the way? Nice, my kids on React perfect. Got TP like in 26. Well done. Good day for VWAP. I'm actually looking at VWAP. But I took a loss this week playing this play, exactly this one. Where I tried to take a short from VWAP to push lower. Instead, what I can do is actually look for a long backup. Maybe we can do this on a demo account. Or I can do it on the funder, but with small risk. Maybe I can find an opportunity to go long. And this is some of the stuff like the more you trade, the more you experience stuff. Like you can definitely try these plays. It's okay. Do I have a lot of data on this? No. But if I line probabilities, I know that we reach VWAP with high probability, like with high chance. But let's see. Look at the buyers that stepped in all the way up here. I heard Fabio say he thinks IVB or won't work in the next 2 years. Most likely because of the new changes that are coming, right? 24/7 market open. But that's fine. That's no problem, because the thing is, for example, I have the framework now. I know how to find an edge quite easily. You just gotta find a simple and dumb way, a simple dumb model, and backtest it for like 5 years. If I have a small edge or whatever, an edge at least, then I'm gonna go take that model and then try to dive deep into it with my discretionary and more detailed trading to make it even better. That's it. So if I lose the edge I have with IVB, I'm gonna solve it in another way, or in that way. That's because of new session week. Yeah, Hikaru Nakamu. Exactly. That's the guy I was thinking. I'm done for that. Trying this. Oh, I will actually switch to London now. Take care. Oh yeah. Okay, it's fine, manga. Good luck, bro. Yeah, I'm still not done with my back. Okay. 75% winner is good. Down 1k on the count. Happens. Happens. I don't know how many trades I have. Look for the trades. Yeah. Sample size is really important. How you back this? Do you get an AI to do it for you for that long? No, I have bought the data. By the way, for the TM members, I'm gonna hook you guys up with that data. It costs, like I showed you, can cost up to $1.5k. Even more actually for the data. But if you're a TM member, you're gonna get access to it. I just gotta figure out how. Because we gotta be conservative in the sense of maybe somebody will do some sketchy shit and mess up it for everyone's, like stealing data, doing, it's not nice, right? So I have to figure out something nice. But yeah, you're gonna be able to do the backtesting with that data. You mean chart fanatics gamma? Take short here, easy take, profit 1-to-1, check it. Your idea is not that dumb here. It's really good actually, because I see volume at the top building and we have a P shape. Absorbed buyers. Maybe you're onto something. Next. Nice. Can I not use cloud? Yeah, you can use... Ooh, cloud. You need the data and then you can do anything. It's just Python code and testing it. Pav, can you please tell us how you knew it wasn't a valid breakout? Volatility. Volume and volatility. You get it with experience. I've seen this breakout so many times. I have a good feeling and understanding of when it's actually gonna play out. You saw the first time we tapped into it, we failed directly with the sellers. Pushed up. We tried again, slowly pushing. Like the breakout is slow. This is not a real breakout. We failed again, pushed up. You see it so many times and eventually just sticks. What's up, Trench? Anything today? No, nothing now, but I'm looking maybe for a long to push higher. Let's do it. I'm gonna do it on demo because I'm not gonna test stuff. I can't test it on few funded, but it's fine. I'm gonna do it on demo. Let me do this. This was the reaction candle. See if we get the squeeze. We pushed higher above the volume. Let's see if we are protected below the volume, right? Actually, I can risk full. This is on demo, guys, so you know. Not that you guys really even care, but yeah. I found an edge on gold with 1-to-1 profit over 5 years. You think that enough edge to pursue to add discretionary entries? 1.13 profit factor over 5 years. Sample size. Profit factor was 1. What is your Sharpe ratio expectancy? It's time for sake. What the hell is Hey Pav, do you have a video showing TN Terminal works? I'm gonna do it for you guys because we're finishing it this week. Then I'm gonna create videos for TN Terminal, so you can test it, like see how to use it. I have 3 levels here, man. One overnight volume profile, 2 arterial level, easy TP massive, but I'm not taking it. So I have to leave it. No, because I'm just in. It's fine, man. It's fine, bro. What would you even ask Cloud to do it for you? Write me a script, tell him the idea, and he will write the script on Python, plug it in, and just run it. That's it. He can even backtest it actually for you now. The idea we did not play out. Yo. Let's continue trading on demo for today, guys. I'm not gonna touch my funded. We can dance a little in and out of the range. Can go down to 15 seconds as well. Let's do some scalping, some hyper scalping. Pablo, in day POC, why would you? I said to avoid trading on POC. Yeah, this is demo. This is demo. I'm gathering data now. So it's about executing. This is how I want you to, if you want to find something, an idea or whatever, test it out. Execute. It's on demo. You don't lose money, guys. Just execute. But you're right, Sniper. You should avoid POC. It's a magnet. Wonder how good it can be on this. $15 seconds. That's like, this is crazy trading on this. Let's see if these sellers fail. We get a small push. Oy, oy, oy. Where would one want to take it if it goes? I would take it maybe all the way up to value area high. Look at the sellers on the right, how they lost. Let's see if we get the push all the way up. Buyers are stepping in. Where's VWAP? VWAP is all the way up here. Nice. I would take out some money here. Actually, I would take out here some money. Some more up here. Do you use Deep though? Not now. No, not at the moment. Rio, your 15-second time frame is... Yeah, this is a heart attack time frame, brother. What the hell is this, man? How can you even play in this? It's failing. I would take out some profits there. You're also in demo trade? Nice. Buyers are stepping in. Where's the music? Are we gonna get all the way down again? Yay, what is this, man? I'm looking at the 5-minute. We have a high volume node with a lot of buyers in this area. So if this get, how you say it, defended, then yeah, I think we're gonna have a good move. Wow, we didn't go up. Ay. We accept all the way down here. Yeah, I would kill this. See if we get a push. If you don't, I will take it out. Okay. And I get nothing. Be break even, Pav. It's a bello. I'm gonna try again. Seeing if these sellers lost. You know what we can test today? How much would you make if you are like, you're not going for the long shot, just going up to POC, for example, here. You only go to POC and you take the profits. How often can we win? What do you think? Let's just aim for that and start counting now. Okay, first trade, and we do like 1-to-1s almost. Okay, this is more than 1-to-1, but you get what I mean. Back up to POC. Oi, look at that seller pushing that. Okay, that's one win. Let's count from here, okay? One to one, no, 1 to POC only. Oh my god, and look at that squeeze. Now we get the move. Ooh, I would take a breakout if this goes. These sellers have to cover themselves if we push above, right? I would try a breakout on this one. So if we go above here, these sellers have to cover themselves, and I think we might get a squeeze. Where? Potentially up to view up. Look at them trying to push it. Oppa. Another chop. What is the setting? What is the VP setting that candle? Which one? How do you change candle? Oh, yeah. Go to Deepcharts. They have support for that. They have support, so that can help you. They just right click and go to settings. It all should be there. What do you guys think? We're gonna get the squeeze now. Are you on demo? Yeah, this is demo, guys. I'm not trying. This is demo. I'm not doing this type of trading on my real account. No. This is demo trading. Look at the buyer stepping in. We might get the squeeze now. Are we gonna get it? Bomb. Okay. See some follow through there. What a disgusting, shitty breakout. Oh my goodness. It failed at the top, but let's see. Are we gonna recover and squeeze it? Let's go. Look at the bars, they're stepping in. There's a tutorial tab on. Yeah, exactly. Wait 1 second. The breakout failed. I would kill it. Oh my goodness. The breakout failed. As a community, we should get... Okay, let's do it. Here's the retest. See if the buyers hold it. Recover them maybe, and then we push. Volume is rising because we are going higher, but let's see. So if we recover them like this, I want to join in and see if we squeeze it low higher. This looks so good. Be really fast on break even on this one. Can actually just cover below here. Because if the idea fails, we go lower, right? Kill it. Hesitation. Not going. See if I can time it better if we go a little. Bro, if we are wicking on 15 seconds, that's like look at these reactions. What's the it's delta. Oh, look at that small gap. Small gap on the 15 second. How significant is that? Oh, it was Yo, I swear, 15 seconds is like you're playing with your heart. Literally. Rio, how do you trade on this? Genuinely, how do you trade on this shit? The PA is like telling me, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes. Oh my goodness. I saw the flip on the 5 minutes. It should be time to go here, but it's oi 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 oi. Yeah, screw this. I'm just playing with my when the enterprise is TP price. There's a lot of fake out, but you need to pair it with 1 min. 15 gives good entries. I have no idea how to navigate on this like this time. This time frame is too much for me. I want to like time the squeeze. That's the thing. I'm just looking to time it. See if I can manage to do so. Sellers here. We need to spoof again. You need to spoof again. Pav is on for the stops. Should I spoof, guys? Sorry, you started to answer. What is needed on your right near? Delta profile. Delta profile. My bad. Yeah. Delta profile. Look at 310 when we close above it. Okay, okay. Brother, what in the hell? Look at that reaction. Okay, let's do some 15-second scalping. Could that be the move? We touch value area low on the 15-second P shape. Oi, oi, oi. I have a feeling it's gonna snap back any second. Like, it goes so fast, this. It's like... Take up profits there. At the top. Risking rest. Go break even. And it fails at the break. You will retest. If it really is good, you will take a position there. Okay, okay. Pav, you're European? Yeah. Yes. Oh, look at the sellers at the top. I'm gonna add more. If you go above, these sellers have to cover themselves. But I'm on the 15-second. How granular do you have to, like, if it's too granular, if I... Oi, oi, oi. Back into the range. Okay, break even, took one profit at the top. Where are you from? Sweden and Serbia. Range within a range. Within a range. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, look at that. Guys, we have value area high on the bigger. Like, this is makes sense if he wants to reach up here. Okay, we have two profiles here. We can do this one, and we can do the small one, like here. And the sellers are stepping in here. I want to be long here if it goes above, because they have to most likely cover themselves, right? We take profits maybe at POC. We can take some money here at POC. Rest up here if it goes. Sellers are stepping in. It's not going. It's not going. Let's see if it flips. It's sniffing the 5-minute low. Oh my god. Oi, oi, oi. Let's get 17 bucks. No way, it aged us. Okay, nice. One profit. Next profit is up here. Bam! Another win. Clean, clean, clean. Balkanic brother. Mr. Trench. Trench, you're from Serbia, right? You're Balkan. The price action is high cortisol. This is high. You get hot. Oh my god. Heart attack is like maximum here. You can even Trump is confused by this price action. I noticed that when you said oi oi oi. I'm from Sweden too. What's up, brother? You live there? Yes, yes, I live in Sweden. Leo van de Beek. Nice to meet you. I live in Serbia, but I'm also Hungarian. Nice. Hungary. Really nice. Do you really? No. I don't trade like this. This is on demo, my friends. This is on demo. I don't trade like this. I take 1 trade, 2 trades a day, maybe like, yeah, that's like something like that. 3-2 trades on IVB, but this is not even IVB. This is we're just demo trading on 15 seconds. We're not getting anything today. The value you're low played out on the 15 second. Look how many times we fail at the breakout. We really don't want to go. Wow, this was a good sniper trade, huh? Really good trade. First profit was 1 to 1. Second profit was up tier 1 to 3. Bro, his download is killed my RAM totally. Yeah, you know, to download historical data. Oh my goodness, that shit. It played out because we are in a rain, not always work. Well, I still remember when you to do that remote control money. Hey, we have a lot of history. We have a lot of history, everyone. We've done a lot. We've done spoofing, remote control, trading. When I give Trump a call, like telling him, hey, time to push, and then it goes. I'm a beginner to this order flow thing. Is there really a difference in time frame, like 15 seconds, 1 minute, or is it all fractional? Low time frames like this, like you get faked out a lot, but you can get precise entries and so on. It's quite fractal, yes, but maybe because we are in a range now, so this play that we took, sure, it can work, play out, but I haven't tested it, so I can't give you really a really good answer. Ooh, look at the buyers at the top. Are we gonna get the breakout now? Let's give it a shot. Bam. Let's see if the breakout works out this time. Come on, follow through. Let me give Mr. Orange guy a call. Let's start spoofing. Come on, come on. Up here, up here. Let's spoof. And we're failing again on the breakout. You shit, man. You absolute little shit. Oh, there we go. And we failed again. We break out, we fail. We break out, we fail. You fucking little shit. Go. Come on now. Take out profits up here. What the hell? There we go. That was the breakout. We waited for it. Perfect timing at the end of the stream. Push it. Come on, come on. Hold on, guys. Let me give him a call. Hey, brother. Up to VWAP. Please, within 2 minutes at least. Okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay, bye-bye. Guys, he's gonna cover. He's gonna cover it for us. Let's go, let's go. If he fucks me over, I'm gonna find him. I know where he lives, bro. Little shit. Hey, Trump. Hey, Trump. You little bitch. You little bitch. Oh my god, bro. That would have been such a montage. Imagine if it goes up, bro. I would put it out on YouTube. People would contact me. I'm gonna have FBI over me. Ay, ay, ay. Tell him, Pav. Tell him. Go up, brother. Don't make me come after you, man. Bro, Bluesland är någon från Sverige gör som dig. Det är nice, ha? Vi behöver mer svenskar här. Det är bara att komma. Appreciate it, Levonde. Oj, oj, oj. Vi gör en Zlatan i trading. Ajde. Shoot! So I can close the stream. I actually have a meeting I have to go to. I'm gonna contact him, my friend Damian. I don't know if he's still in the... Damian, if you are in the stream, let's just let the trade play out, and then I will jump into the call with you. He's gonna go against you now because you know he knows your position. Unlucky part next time. No. He's gonna do it, brother, because I know where he is. You little shit. Like, look at this. Haydi. Don't be a bitch. Come on. Up. Push it. Small gap. There's a push. We're gonna get the push from that gap. Eh. Guys, did you really think Donald Trump will go against me? Bro, he doesn't want to fuck with me. That wouldn't end good. Okay, guys, nice stream. It was fun. It was a fun stream. Unfortunately, no trades today. If you just joined in, people, this was on demo. And no, I don't trade like this. This was just for the fun, for the sake of fun. Can you in rages? Why don't you like to trade the ping pong? Hell no. Because I have to do stuff like this, man. It's not worth it. I lose if I trade like this. Do you remember the first interaction in the chat? You sounded so humble. I got cooked. I got hooked. I'm still a guy. I'm still humble. I'm still the old guy. Same old Pav. Är du från Stockholm? Ja. Jag har ingen brytning. Så yes, jag är från Stockholm. Alright people. Bro talks like he tamed Trump. I have him around my little finger, bro. You think he's gonna go against me? No chance. He's gonna listen like the good boy he is. Okay, I'm joking. Yo, imagine this is my last stream, guys. I'm gonna get shit on. Oh yeah. Streams better than price action always. All right, everyone, have a great weekend. Thank you for being here, and see you next week. Hopefully we have a healthy and a real market next week. Okay, ciao everyone. Bye bye.